In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Google Calendar to Excel. By the end, you'll have your calendar events in a spreadsheet that you can sort, filter, analyze, or share with your team. We'll keep things simple and move step by step, so feel free to pause and follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the calendar you want to export. If you use multiple accounts, double check in the top right corner that you're on the correct one so you don't accidentally export the wrong calendar. Once your Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where all of your personal calendars are listed, such as your main calendar, work calendar, or any others you've created. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to export. When you do this, a small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to the calendar name. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu of options for that calendar. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page with all the detailed settings for that specific calendar, including sharing options, notifications, and more. On the left side of this settings page, look for an option called Import and Export. Go ahead and click on that. This brings you to the section where you can both import calendars into Google Calendar and export them out. In the Export section, you'll see a button labeled Export. Click that button. Google Calendar will create a compressed zip file that contains one or more ICs files, which are standard calendar files. Your browser will download this zip file, usually to your default downloads folder. If you have more than one calendar selected, the zip might include multiple .ics files, so keep that in mind. Next, open a new tab in your browser, but don't close the Google Calendar tab in case you need to go back. In the new tab, go to the address projectwizards.net/n support-ics2csv converter. This is an online tool that converts .ics calendar files into CSV files, which you can open in Excel. On this converter page, look for an option to select your ICs file. Click to browse your computer, go to your Downloads folder, and choose the .ics file that was created when you exported from Google Calendar. Select that file and confirm. Now you'll see options related to formatting. One of the key settings is the date format. Choose the date format that matches how you prefer to see dates, or what best fits your region or existing spreadsheets. For example, you might choose day, month, year, or month, day, year. When you've selected your date format, click the button that says Convert to CSV. The tool will process your ICS file and transform the calendar data into a CSV spreadsheet format. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see an option to Download Converted CSV File. Click that to download the new CSV file to your computer. Again, this will typically go into your Downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. Finally, locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer and open it. If you have Excel installed, you can double-click the file and it should open directly in Excel. You'll now see your calendar events laid out in rows and columns, ready for sorting, filtering, or further analysis.